So this is the beginning stage of the toe art design we're going to be working on this week. And for the rest of my toes, pretty much I just painted all over with a yellow nail polish. And the one that I use is by Broadway Nails. And it's called Banana Smoothie. So this is the polish that I use. And there's the name on it. So for my big toe, I painted a French white manicure on, and what I'm going to do the hand painting on just my big toe. So I'm going to show you what my color palette looks like. I'm going to be using acrylic water paints on my toes, and I have some red, yellow, I have like a darker green, olive green, and I have some black and white. And I may add some crystals on my toes as well, and I'm going to be using Swarovski crystals to do that with. I'm going to be using various sizes on my toe. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to top coat my toes after I do the hand painting, and I'm going to add the crystals on with my Kiss brush on nail glue. So that is basically it for this toe art design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.